Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The New Age Mommy. So this episode is in continuation to my Europe series where we had left from Český Krumlov for Vienna. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about my 48 hours in Vienna with my daughter and my family. Vienna was looking stunning, decked up with lights. We were so excited to take a city tour, and we checked into our hotel quickly and stepped out to eat some vegetarian food. Easiest way to commute in Vienna is through public transport. A valid ticket is required to travel by public transport in Vienna. Children up to the age of 6 can travel free of charge, and children under the age of 15 can travel free on Sundays. Vienna is renowned for its majestic views and stunning period architecture. Vienna has diverse attractions. There is something for everyone. We took kids to Schönbrunn Palace first. They did get tired walking a lot here, but also enjoyed at the Children's Museum understanding what life was for the imperial children, trying on period costumes, playing with toys from the past, and also learning about royal etiquettes. The palace also offers good photo opportunities. You can easily spend a day in Vienna with kids exploring cathedrals, amusement parks, and for evening, Vienna is dressed to perfection. Of all the Christmas markets in Austria, Vienna's Christkindl market on Rathausplatz is most famous. The decorations and lights turn parts of the Christmas market into romantic wonderland, and the romance goes all the way up to 11 with the traditional tree of hearts, which I don't think I was able to photograph adequately. The floating heart took my heart away. A tree with nearly 200 lighted hearts make a fine background for a romantic date. You can stroll through the market, explore numerous art and craft stalls that offer handmade decorations, gourmet honeys, and the like, but also good standard items. Of late, the focus has been shifted on regional and organic food at the Christmas markets. You should look for the word bio on the menu boards, which means organic in German. Our kids could get enough of chestnuts and hot potatoes. That's a must try. Another attraction is Vienna's skating rink. It is decorated with lights to perfection. We had really great time enjoying ice skating, and of course we were learning it for the first time. We were walking through fairy lit streets filled with festive cheer of Christmas markets, majestic palaces adorned with twinkling lights, and aroma of gingerbread and mulled wine. You're still deciding where to go this Christmas season? Vienna is definitely the place to be. After making some good memories and lots of shopping from the Christmas market, we headed to our next destination, Salzburg, which is 3.5 hours away from Vienna.